So children, you have seen the different disasters. When such type of disasters take place, people become homeless, they lose everything, and for that time, the people who are responsible of taking care of such type of victims, they try to take care of them, and thousands of people are taken to relief camps where they get shelter in different schools are open for them. All the schools, wherever there is shelter, they are getting the facility of food, water, and medicines. Clothes also are given to them. So many relief camps are set up in mosques and gurdwaras and all, and this is how all types of facilities are given to them, and they are somehow looked after, taken care of. So now I will just see, migration is all right. It's very easy for such poor people to go to a new place, but they have to face a lot of hardships. So we are going to focus on the hardships faced by migrants when they move to a new place. What all hardships they face? The migrants face many problems. Like when they move to a new place, they leave their homes and families also behind. Many of them go alone. Many of the men especially, they go alone and try to find some jobs to earn money. And such type of people, they have to live in a very poor condition. And their family and all other elder members whom they have left behind, they also are facing lots of hardships. The women start doing some of the farming work and somehow try to manage their lives. The laborers, when they move to the place, to the cities to get jobs, they are not educated. Now when they are not educated, so what type of job? They can't get a job in a factory or something, to official work or something, they can't get. So wages also, the salary what they get, it's not so good. With that little salary, they have to feed themselves also, and plus send the money to their families who are living away. They are without the basic amenities, the facilities what we need to live at any place. What are those facilities? Food, water, shelter, cleanliness, all such type of things we need, no? All these things they do not get properly. Drinking water also is not clean, but they somehow have to manage because they have come to earn money. So these are the difficulties. But some people who bring their families also, their condition becomes worse. It's bad situation. Why? Because the women, they have to work very, very hard. The children do not get education. They don't go to school. They have to go from one place to another for doing some household work in rich family houses. And there slowly the women also earn money, and the man of the family, he is also earning money, and somehow they try to manage the condition. So very much difficulties they have to face, and many of them don't get jobs also. So when they don't get jobs, then what happens? They start begging. This is the very worst condition of the migrants. When they have to start begging for their living, to earn money, there is no other means. So this is the condition which takes place, and that's why you see there are some migrants, they enjoy also. Those ones who are rich, who are educated, when they go to a new place, they have lots of time, they spend with their family, and they have a very joyful life. Because they are getting all the facilities, everything whatever they need for living, they are getting everything, so they are enjoying. So on one side you see that the poor person is always a sufferer, and the rich and the educated ones, they enjoy life. So education is very necessary for all of us. We can learn from this lesson what is education. and many of them, they are moving from one country to another also. There they enjoy more because they are seeing new places and they have fun. They get lots of big package of they get from that. The money, what they're earning, it's so much. So they have lots of time. So migration brings happiness to many people also. It brings sorrow to many and happiness to many. Why? Because they see new places, they experience the climate of that area, and many of the things which they have never seen in their lives, maybe first time they're seeing it, so they enjoy. And they learn many things from those places where they have reached. They learn new customs, new traditions, new culture, different types of dishes, cuisines, what they say, any type of dishes known as cuisine, dresses, dances, music, everything they learn from the new place where they have reached. So you see, there is sorrow also in some place and there is happiness in some place. So animals also migrate. I had told you there are many animals who are migrating, like the birds. They are Siberian birds and all. You see, they move from the place where it becomes warmer, they move to more colder place or to warmer place if it is becoming too cold for them. Then there are some animals you see, like the bisons and all these ones. They go from one place to another. The wild beast of Africa, they go in search of green pasture for themselves to eat, to graze the green grass. Some of them have to face difficulties also, because they have to see the green pasture, crossing many crocodile-filled rivers. When they are passing through that, they face a lot of difficulties. So even animals also, they move from one place to another in search of food and water. I will show you the map just now again, and we will see the different cities what we mentioned in this lesson. And because you will have to do the map work in this lesson, that's why I will show you the map. What is the what all cities you have seen in this lesson when we are mentioning Jammu Kashmir, isn't it? Then many more places. So we were talking about Punjab, we were talking about Karnataka, then Lucknow in Uttar Pradesh. All these places are mentioned over there. And you see, we are going to the map work. What you will do in this lesson, I will in a map I will color those places where you which is going to be asked in this lesson, and you will do the map. So see the map carefully here, each and every state which has been told to you. Even see Jammu Kashmir, we talked about Jammu Kashmir. So now you see Jammu Kashmir, the whole place is not Jammu Kashmir. Now this is Jammu Kashmir and this is Ladakh. So two places, Jammu Kashmir is here and this is Ladakh now. Then we have spoken about another place, that was Bangalore in Karnataka and Punjab in Patiala. So these places you remember, and you will have to color the map in your, if you have the map you do it. If you don't have, you can draw a map and post, or you can get it from the net also, and you can do the coloring. So children, now I hope you have understood the lesson well, and you will do well in this lesson. All the question answers, when I post the I have already posted the missing PDF file of the book. So you do the lessons, the question answers. First you do the objective questions, and then after that you do the question answers. Little every day. Not necessary in one day you finish the whole thing. So 1 week at least you will be occupied with this work. So bye children, I hope you have understood well. Have a nice day, be cheerful, be happy, keep smiling and obey your parents, listen to them always. Thank you.